Welcome to this guide. This is how to recover a suspended Opera News creator account. The first thing is to check your registered email address. Open the inbox connected to your Opera News Hub account and search for an email from the moderation team. Look for the exact reason for your suspension, such as fake news, copyright issues, or low conduct points. So you note down your registered phone number or email address, your account handle name, and the specific article or issue mentioned in the suspension notice. So then you contact Opera News support. So send an email directly to an official support at operanewshub-ng@opera.com. Again, you send an email directly to the official support at what? operanewshub-ng@opera.com. So use the subject line appeal for suspended account. Then you insert your account name. Then you write an appeal letter. In your body of the email, state clearly your account name and register details. Explain what happened, acknowledge any guidelines breached, and politely request a review or a second chance to restore your conduct points. You can also reach out to them through their social media if it is needed. So if you do not receive a response within 3 business days, send a polite direct message to the Opera News Hub Facebook page or Twitter handle with your account details and appeal request. Wait for moderation review. So allow 3 to 7 business days for the editorial team to assess your appeal. If approved, your account access and conduct points will be restored. Thank you for watching and good luck getting your accounts back.